Week we have gone through chapters 5 through 8, which stresses the importance of evaluation and experience of how the user experiences. It talks about various techniques on how we are going to do the usability tests, which we are going to use for our project at the end of this class, and some techniques like thinking aloud and the spectrum of usability testing and the acceptance criteria and the tests that we develop for various survey instruments that we use. And we also have learned about the importance of interview groups and focus groups, where we try to do the brainstorming for getting out the ideas so that it can be the product that we are building can be prototyped. And it's an important technique that we use for updating the usability or improving the usability of a certain product before it is finally built for the end users. So, from this week of discussion, from this week of study, I believe I like the topic of fluid navigation from chapter 8. I believe I tried to look for the concepts and using Amazon's Kindle, so which I brought up on my screen, where users we can see that easily the application is easily navigationable. We can see the table of contents, the search bar. If the user has any if the user intends to look at a certain text, he can easily search for it, and he can navigate through the pages forward and back and go to a certain page, and also increase zoom in and zoom out so that he can see it. And I think the important feature I like about this is how they particularly, if the user is not clear on a certain word, we continue to drill down and give the feature of what is the meaning of a certain word that the user is not familiar with, by linking it with a dictionary application or searching additional pages that have this particular content. And I believe this navigation technique is pretty much very useful to the as end user, and I find it an important aspect one has to give for the applications that they build. Thank you.